Welcome to Star Biker. Today we're diving into the 2026 Suzuki GSX-R1000R, a superbike built to dominate the track while staying thrilling on the street. Design and aerodynamics. The 2026 GSX-R1000R carries Suzuki's race-bred DNA with sharper fairings, aggressive winglet styling, and a compact tail section. Every line is designed to reduce drag, improve stability at high speeds, and deliver a true MotoGP-inspired presence. Engine and performance. At the heart is a high-revving 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, delivering explosive acceleration and razor-sharp throttle response. Advanced variable valve timing helps maximize power across the rev range, making the GSX-R1000R equally brutal on straights and precise through corners. Technology and electronics. Suzuki equips the 2026 GSX-R1000R with a full suite of rider aids, including multi-level traction control, ride modes, launch control, quick shifter, and cornering ABS. These systems work seamlessly to enhance control without dulling the raw superbike experience. Handling and braking. A lightweight aluminum frame, fully adjustable suspension, and premium Brembo brakes give the GSX-R1000R exceptional handling confidence. Whether on the track or aggressive road riding, the bike feels planted, balanced, and incredibly responsive. Final thoughts. The 2026 Suzuki GSX-R1000R remains a hardcore superbike that blends cutting-edge technology with legendary GSXR performance. It's a machine built for riders who demand speed, precision, and pure racing spirit.